Hey, gearheads. Today, let's talk about the exhaust gas recirculation system, or EGR, and why some folks decide to turn it off. First up, the positives. Without EGR, the engine breathes only fresh air and fuel. This means better combustion efficiency and more power. Think of it as a clean, potent mix that boosts your horsepower and torque. Plus, no EGR means fewer carbon deposits. Your intake manifold and valves stay cleaner, leading to smoother airflow and improved engine performance. And of course, let's not forget the maintenance perks. EGR components like valves and sensors can fail over time. Disabling the system means fewer parts to worry about and fewer repair bills. Now, for the downsides, turning off the EGR increases nitrogen oxide emissions, which isn't great for the environment and might get you in trouble with emission regulations. Higher NOx emissions contribute to smog and acid rain. Also, without EGR, combustion temperatures can rise, risking engine overheating and potential damage. And let's not forget, disabling EGR is illegal in many places. Your car might fail emission tests, meaning you're off the road until you fix it. Lastly, some engines use EGR to improve fuel efficiency, especially under light loads. Turning it off might mean slightly higher fuel consumption. So why do tuners love disabling EGR? In performance tuning, it removes restrictions, allowing a more potent air-fuel mix and better combustion efficiency. Plus, it eliminates potential maintenance headaches, keeping your engine running reliably. Remember, if you disable the EGR, proper tuning is crucial to avoid drivability issues. Got any thoughts or experiences with EGR delete? Drop them in the comments below. Catch you next time and keep those engines roaring.